The question of whether a certification is needed to become a planner is frequently asked. The direct answer to this question is generally no. A certification is not strictly required. However, the necessity of certification depends on various factors within the planning field. Further exploration is needed to understand the nuances of certification in different planning contexts. Planners are essential for developing structured project programs. They expertly manage the critical path to ensure timely project completion. Accurate progress updates and delay forecasting are key responsibilities. Proficiency in tools like Primavera P6 and MS Project is highly valued. Essential skills are often best learned through practical experience. Hands-on learning is more effective than relying solely on certifications. Real-world application is key to mastering these skills. On-the-job training provides the necessary practical experience. Many planners begin their careers in related fields. Common entry points include site engineering roles, quantity surveying, construction management, and project engineering also provide relevant experience. These roles offer opportunities to develop planning expertise through practical project involvement. New planners typically begin in supportive roles. Initial tasks often involve assisting senior planners with their duties. This support includes activities such as updating project schedules. Over time, planners gradually take on more responsibility. Eventually, they may assume full ownership of specific programs or projects, demonstrating a progressive learning curve. Real-world experience is crucial for developing capable planners. This experience includes both successes and failures. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning process. The lessons learned from mistakes are invaluable. Practical challenges are essential for growth. Experience, especially through overcoming mistakes, builds competence. Certifications are valuable credentials that primarily support career advancement. They can significantly improve opportunities for securing international job positions. Certifications often assist candidates in successfully navigating initial HR screening processes. Possessing relevant certifications demonstrates a commitment to professional development. Certifications serve as indicators of baseline knowledge in a specific field. They confirm that an individual has met a defined standard of understanding. However, certifications alone do not guarantee proficiency in practical application. Hands-on planning experience in real-world scenarios provides invaluable skills. Practical experience complements theoretical knowledge gained through certifications. Project Management Institute, PMI, and Association for Project Management, APM, are examples of certification bodies. Certifications from these organizations offer a structured approach to project management. Earning a certification can enhance professional credibility in the field. These certifications validate an individual's knowledge and skills in project management. Holding a recognized certification can improve career opportunities and earning potential. Planner certifications are not planner-specific. These certifications focus on broader project management skills. They are not essential for starting a planning career. New planners can begin without these certifications. Focusing on core planning skills is more important initially. Certifications can be pursued later in one's career. Practical software skills are highly valued by employers. Primavera P6 is a software used for project planning and scheduling. MS Project is another software option for project management. Employers often seek planners proficient in these tools. These planners can create and maintain project schedules. Proficiency in software like Primavera P6 is advantageous early in one's career. Employers value practical skills over theoretical knowledge. Candidates who can build schedules are highly sought after. Updating schedules is a key practical skill. Explaining schedules demonstrates understanding and communication. Passing exams alone is insufficient for demonstrating competence. Practical competence in schedule management is highly valued by employers. Professional certifications often gain increased importance later in one's career trajectory. This heightened value is particularly evident when transitioning into senior-level planning roles. Consultant positions also reflect the growing significance of certifications. Certifications demonstrate specialized knowledge and commitment to professional standards. The utility of certifications tends to increase with career advancement. Certifications become more important when applying for international projects. Formal credentials carry more weight in international contexts. This reflects the need to meet global standards. Certifications demonstrate adherence to recognized international benchmarks. A common misconception is that a PMP certification is required to become a planner. This script aims to dispel this myth and clarify the actual requirements. PMP certification is not a prerequisite for working as a planner. The necessity of a PMP certification depends on the specific role and organization. Many successful planners operate effectively without holding a PMP certification. Experience, skills, and relevant knowledge often outweigh the need for formal certification. Certifications alone are insufficient to designate an individual as a senior planner. Seniority is not automatically conferred by holding a certification. Experience plays a crucial role in attaining a senior position. Demonstrated ability is a key factor in determining seniority. Practical application and proven skills are essential for senior roles. Seniority is a combination of certification, experience, and demonstrated competence. Clients primarily value the quality of a planner's program. The practicality of the program is also a key consideration for clients. Real-world applicability is a significant factor in client decision-making. Certifications are generally less important to clients than program effectiveness. Clients focus on tangible outcomes and benefits from the program. Therefore, demonstrating program quality and practicality is crucial for planners. Client trust hinges on the program's logical coherence. The program must accurately reflect real-world conditions. Reliability is crucial for fostering trust in decision-making. A trustworthy program enhances confidence in its recommendations. Clients prioritize programs that provide dependable insights. Program trustworthiness is vital for client satisfaction. Aspiring planners should prioritize learning the foundational principles of planning. A key area of focus should be understanding construction sequencing. Mastering critical path logic is also essential for effective planning. Emphasis should be placed on developing core planning skills. These fundamentals provide a strong base for advanced planning techniques. Proficiency in these areas enhances a planner's ability to manage projects efficiently. Providing accurate progress updates is essential for project success. Strong software skills are crucial for effective project management. Site experience provides practical application of learned skills. Combining software skills with site experience enhances problem-solving abilities. Practical application is key to mastering both software and on-site tasks. A well-defined career path involves a strategic sequence of skill acquisition. The initial phase focuses on developing fundamental technical skills. Simultaneously, practical planning skills are cultivated to support technical expertise. Following skill development, the next step involves applying these skills in real-world projects. This progression ensures a logical and effective approach to career advancement. Certifications are a method to enhance professional profile. Strategic timing is key when pursuing certifications. Consider certifications later in one's career. Certifications can increase future career opportunities. The core principle is that planning proficiency is demonstrated through practical application. Competence is shown by successfully planning work that is feasible to implement. The ability to create actionable plans is essential. Practical competence is key to effective planning. Planning skills are validated by the ability to plan constructible projects. Certifications can be beneficial in demonstrating knowledge. However, certifications do not guarantee actual competence. Practical skills and experience are paramount. Competence should always be prioritized over certifications. Certifications should supplement, not replace, real-world abilities. Focus on developing practical expertise first and foremost. The script emphasizes the paramount importance of practical experience. Demonstrable skills are highlighted as a key asset for construction planners. These skills are more valuable than formal certifications alone. Aspiring construction planners should prioritize hands-on learning. Real-world experience provides a competitive edge in the field.